Yeah, hello guys. Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here in this video, I want to show you how to impute phone number starting with a first zero on Excel. Okay, so basically, by default, Excel cannot impute zero. Just like let me impute this, and then you see. Okay, so this has to be like this, and then when I input it, it will automatically disappear. So by default, Excel does not take the first zero. Okay, so but I want to show you how you can start with 080 on Excel. So input the phone number, anything with zero at the front. So let's get started. All right, so first I have to create an extra cell here, and if you have none, because I already created it down. Okay, so well, let me show you how you can insert an extra cell. All right, so I now have to input the zero that I want, and then I'll copy it. Let me copy it, and then I can drag and highlight the line or the column to the number that I want, so I can now paste the zeros that I want. All right, so I am done with that now. Okay, so on another column, I can come here and then put the sign of equal to. So now I want to concatenate the two together. So concatenation means you are adding strings to integer. So that's basically what I'm going to do. So here I can say I already copied this, and then I can say this, and so I'm adding the two of them together. So I'm adding the two numbers together, and it's as simple as that. As you can see, this is all done. This is all done. All right, so this is as simple as anything. So with this, but that's not all. Okay, so now when you click on this is what you see, because you don't see the formula you use in concatenating this together. All right, so what do I need to do? I need to now copy this. You understand? I have to control C, which is copy. It has not copied yet. I have to control C, copy. And then what I need to do here, okay, so if you are using WPS, what you need to do is just to paste special. So I can see space special here. This is space special. So what do I need to paste? Do I need to just paste it formula, or just paste with the value? So I can just paste value, which is like this. All right, so this is all good. Now you can see that your number has started with 080 and the rest. So what do I need to do now? It's not ended yet, because at first, let me take you back. At first, here, if I remove this zero, automatically it's going to affect this. You understand? Because it's a concatenation. So now, for me not to have that, because if I say let me remove this column A, that means I've automatically removed all the zeros. So now what I need to do is I need to highlight this and then copy it just as I did before, and then paste it back inside the same. So I'm pasting the formula. I'm not pasting the formula again. I'm just pasting the value. You understand? It's called special pasting. So what do I need to do? Do I want to, because if you leave it like this, as soon as you click on it, it will go back to number formula. So what do I need to do? I need to ignore the errors. Now, I think we are good. I think we are good now. We are all good now. I can remove this column now without any issue. All right. So I can remove the column now without any issue. What else do I need to do? Do I want to paste it? Do I want to shift it like this? Do I want to make it stand at the middle? Anything. So it's already good for us. All right. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Do like, subscribe, share, and then um, you can just hit the like button, just subscribe for more videos of this. Imagine if you can impute, or you are working with a lot of data, and then you just have to update a customer's phone number. You know how it look bulky, but